What if I told you there is a legal pathway in Europe where people invest in a country, and in return, they receive residency, freedom of movement, and a potential path to citizenship? And here's the shocking part. Most people think Europe has shut its doors to investors. They think the golden visa era is over. But that is not completely true. Because Portugal, even after major changes, still offers one of the most structured residency by investment systems in the world. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works in 2026. Step by step. Without confusion. Without legal jargon. And with real-world examples so you understand how people are actually doing it right now. Let me tell you about Daniel. Daniel is a 42-year-old entrepreneur from Chicago. He spent years building businesses in the United States. But he wanted something different for his family. Safety, mobility, and a backup plan in Europe. So he started researching residency programs. Spain was confusing. Italy felt slow. Greece looked limited. Then he discovered Portugal's golden visa. At first, he thought it was too good to be true. But the more he researched, the more he realized something important. Portugal's program is not about buying citizenship. It is about structured investment in exchange for residency rights. And that changed everything. So let's break it down. What exactly is the Portugal Golden Visa in 2026? The Golden Visa is a residency by investment program. It allows non-European citizens to obtain legal residency in Portugal by making a qualifying investment. And here's the key point. You do not need to live full-time in Portugal to maintain the visa. That flexibility is what makes it so attractive. But here's where most people get confused. The program has changed over the years. Real estate investment options have been restricted in many cases. So today, the focus has shifted toward other approved investment routes. Now let's break down the main investment options. First, investment funds. This is currently one of the most popular pathways. You invest a minimum qualifying amount into Portuguese approved investment funds. These funds typically focus on sectors like technology, tourism, or infrastructure. Daniel chose this route because it was passive and professionally managed. But here's the critical insight. Not all funds qualify. They must be regulated and approved under Portuguese law. Now let's move to the second option. Job creation. This means you invest in a business that creates jobs for Portuguese citizens. This route is more active and requires business involvement. Daniel considered this but decided it was too operational for his lifestyle. Now let's talk about the third option. Scientific or cultural investment. This involves contributing to research projects or cultural heritage programs. It is less common, but still valid. And here's the surprising truth. Some investors prefer this route because it supports national development projects. Now, let's pause for a moment. Because here's what most people don't realize. The Golden Visa is not just about investment. It is about compliance, documentation, and long-term planning. Now let's talk about eligibility. To apply for the Portugal Golden Visa, you generally need a valid non-EU passport, clean criminal record, proof of investment funds, health insurance coverage, and completed application documentation. Daniel was surprised at how documentation-heavy the process is. But he also realized something important. Portugal values transparency above everything. Now let's talk about costs. There are two main components. First, the investment itself. This depends on the route you choose. Second, government application fees. These include processing fees and residence permit issuance costs. And here's the key insight. Costs can vary depending on family inclusion. Spouse and children can often be included in one application. Daniel applied with his wife and daughter. Now let's talk about processing time. This is one of the most important parts. Initial approval can take several months depending on application volume. Biometrics appointments are required in Portugal. And final residency cards are issued after approval. Daniel described the waiting period as structured patience. Because everything moves, but not instantly. Now let's talk about residency benefits. This is where the golden visa becomes powerful. You gain legal residency in Portugal. You can travel within the Schengen area. You can include your family. And you can eventually apply for permanent residency or citizenship. Now, here's the surprising truth. You only need to spend a minimal amount of time in Portugal each year to maintain the visa. This flexibility is what attracts global investors. Now let's talk about taxation. Many applicants misunderstand this part. Residency does not automatically mean tax residency. Tax obligations depend on how much time you spend in the country. Daniel worked with advisors to structure this properly. Now let's talk about real estate confusion. Many people still think buying property qualifies for the golden visa. But recent changes have restricted or eliminated most real estate pathways. So if you are researching this program, always verify current rules. Now let's talk about mistakes applicants make. Choosing unregulated investment funds. Submitting incomplete documents. Ignoring legal guidance. And misunderstanding residency obligations. Daniel almost made one of these mistakes early on. But he corrected it before applying. Now let's talk about family inclusion. One of the strongest advantages of the program is family reunification. Spouses and dependent children can be included. This makes it a family relocation strategy, not just an individual one. Now let's talk about long-term pathway. After maintaining residency for several years, applicants may qualify for permanent residency, and eventually citizenship, depending on legal requirements. This is why many investors view the golden visa as a long-term European strategy. Now let's talk about lifestyle reality. Portugal is known for safety, healthcare, and quality of life. Cities like Lisbon and Porto attract international residents. Daniel visited Lisbon before applying, and what he found surprised him. A calm, structured, and welcoming environment. Now let's bring everything together. The Portugal Golden Visa, in 2026, is not a shortcut. It is a structured investment-based residency system. It requires planning, capital, and patience. But in return, it offers mobility, stability, and long-term opportunity in Europe. And Daniel? He succeeded. Not because he rushed, but because he understood the system. He chose the right investment route. He followed the process carefully, and he stayed patient during approval. And here's the truth. Daniel is not unique. He is simply informed. So now the question is, are you looking at Europe as just a destination, or as a long-term strategy for your future? If this guide helped you understand how the Portugal Golden Visa really works in 2026, make sure you subscribe for more in-depth immigration and investment breakdowns. Because opportunities like this don't wait forever. And the people who understand them early are the ones who benefit the most.